Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Installing Python Libraries in Ubuntu, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python libraries play a crucial role in enhancing the functionality and capabilities of your Python scripts and applications. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing Python libraries on Ubuntu, a popular Linux distribution. Step 1. Update package lists. Before installing any Python library, it's a good practice to ensure that your system's package lists are up to date. Open a terminal and run the following command. Enter your password when prompted. Step 2. Install pip, if not already installed. Pip is the package installer for Python. If it's not installed, you can install it using the following command. Step 3. Install a Python library using pip. Now that pip is installed, you can use it to install Python libraries effortlessly. Replace library_name with the name of the library you want to install. For example, to install the popular requests library, run. Step 4. Verify the installation. After the installation is complete, you can verify it by importing the library in a Python script or the Python interactive shell. Open a Python shell. Then, try importing the library. If no errors occur, the library is successfully installed. Step 5. Virtual environments, optional but recommended. Using virtual environments is a best practice to manage dependencies for different projects. It prevents conflicts between different project requirements. Create a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. Install libraries within the virtual environment. Deactivate the virtual environment when you're done. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you've learned how to install Python libraries on Ubuntu using pip. Remember to keep your system and pip updated regularly. Additionally, consider using virtual environments to manage dependencies efficiently. Now you can confidently enhance your Python projects with the vast array of available libraries. ChatGPT.